clear. It's clear as day. Clear as day that this man's a coward. He doesn't want to show up to a court, a simple court date that he was subpoenaed for.
We could give him some time to come in. I mean, he has been subpoenaed. He doesn't know about the case. It's been publicized, so we'll see how this falls out.
It's all over the news. It's publicized. Come on, Your Honor. Let's not even waste. Let's not keep wasting my client's time.
Yeah, so let's give the defense some time, though. Let's give the defense some time.
Chief Justice, somebody help me. Help me when I say this. Terrible.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. My name is Judge Mike Larry. I'm here residing over this case, Sanders versus Philly PD Chief A. Payne. A. Payne, could you state your name for the record, please?
Amiri Payne.
All right. Plaintiff, can you state your name for the record, please?
Trey Sanders.
All right. Can you repeat that one more time for me, please?
Trey Sanders. Trey Sanders.
All right. So in this case of today, we have Trey Sanders versus Chief Payne. Today, we will let the lawyer for Trey Sanders start off his opening arguments.
And Judge, even.
Evening.
My name is Jerry Pierce. Over at JP Law Firm. Today, this is just a simple small claims court issue that we brought to court today. This is just all over a simple misunderstanding that could have been handled outside the court, but the chief, did not, uphold his side and take care of my client in a timely manner. So we had to go ahead and get this sent up in here, in front of you. Today, my client, Mr. Trey Sanders, he's suing the chief.
I definitely will need an attorney if he's trying to sue me for 12.5 million on top of what like his attorney stated, could have been handled outside of this, but he went above and beyond trying to acquire his money back at the police station, which is why I did not hand it back over to him.
All right. Being that the case is in process already, we're gonna give you time to get your lawyer, your attorney you have, which is in court already. I'm gonna let him go along with his evidence that he has. He's gonna present. Is it the email that you sent me over?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, got you right now.
That first file. That first one.
Do everyone see?
Yes, man, I got a question for you.
What up?
Bro, why are you trying to slander my name in the main court, huh?
I need my motherfucking money. That's what I need.
Okay, why are you trying to slander my name in the main
Listen,
court? Because
yo,
of an
I
accident you made.
ain't worried about none of that, bro. I need my money.
Because of the accident you made. You handed me that money. Am I correct?
Hey, but you should.
I mean,
You should have double checked it.
it's not funny because you're playing with my name and my integrity and my
Alright.
manlyhood.
Well, I need my money, bro.
I mean, you handed it to me, correct?
I'm saying I need my money.
Okay, so why would you go into the main emails and slander my name? That's what I'm confused about. When I was on an arrest,
I ain't put no name on it.
how was I about to run off?
I ain't
How
put
was
no
I
name
about
on
to?
it.
How was I about to run off if I was mid-scene? You called me, said I'll meet you at the station. All my units got back to the station after an arrest we made. So how was I about to run off?
You
You think
should
I need
have.
this little ass? You think I need this little ass million, 7.5 million?
Probably do.
I probably don't.
Yeah, you probably do.
I think you do, because you sitting here crying and slandering my name about it, and I don't appreciate it.
Yeah, I
I don't
definitely do.
appreciate that. I don't appreciate that.
Cool. It's freedom of speech, bro. So I need my money.
It's freedom of speech. I mean, did you willingly hand it to me? It's not often. I don't. I seen the 750. I didn't realize it was 7.5 million because it's something that I commonly do. And so I just didn't look at how many zeros was there because I didn't.
How heartbreaking that was. You know, our officers they're trained to de-escalate, especially a chief of police, somebody that is supposed to uphold and protect the community. Are we kidding? Talking about that light 7.5 million, disrespecting a pillar of the community, so a taxpayer.
All right, thank everyone for coming back to the court. So today, as I look through my law books, Chief Payne, you do not need a lawyer for a civil case. This is not a criminal case. This is not a Supreme Court case. This is not a felony case. This is a simple civil case over a man giving you his hard-earned money that he asked for back and still has not received back. And I believe it's been day 3 now, or day 2. So to be,
Day 2, Your Honor.
all right, day 2. Thank you. So to be fair to the court, to the people, and to this man right here, I'm gonna grant him his 7.5 back, but I'm not granting the damages because the damages is clearly like really none done. You just was in a waiting process of getting your money back, which should have been returned right away after it was sent to you. So in the law, your judgment has been granted. Your 7.5 that Chief Payne has to pay back to you immediately right now. And if not, there would be further charges brought up on him. So that is my judgment for today as far as this case, because it is a civil case, not a Supreme Court case, not a criminal case. This is just a case over money.
To collect funds in order to pay it.
To pay his money back?
Yeah, I stored it somewhere. Right? You gotta walk around with $7 million in
You
cash.
stored his money? Come on, Your Honor. Your Honor.
Exactly. That's another weird part about this, because
A
he's
vi-
a witness of
What
mine
does he
and
have
was
to
a
do with the
victim.
$7.5 million?
What does that have to do?
with it? It
It
has
has nothing to do with that money, sir.
You had the option. You had the option to call him to the stand, which you didn't. You kept saying you need a lawyer.
Here, you said it was over. What are you talking about?
Because I have made a judgment. You owe the man $7.5 million. You're arguing with me.
So like I said though, I haven't had a fair trial or nothing. How am I being charged with something? We're in a courtroom when I ain't had no time to get no attorney. It makes no sense. And then y'all like talking about I gotta pay him immediately. I ain't got no 7.5 in my pocket.
How?
That's his money,
That's
sir.
simple.
That's his money. That's his
If you
hard-earned
don't
money.
got 7.5 in the pocket, then you must take it from the
I wouldn't take it out of my pocket
society
because
fund.
This brings up this. All right, this everybody calm down. This brings in another case that we have for today. Chief Payne, you are now in court for your own case today for embezzlement charges, fraud charges, tampering with evidence, and corruption in the state of Philly. How do you plead on these charges?
What?
Yes, you're being charged with corruption,
Like, at this point, what the fuck is
embezzlement.
going on?
No contest. I need a lawyer.
And not only that, with that first one, he is entitled to it regardless.
For a civil case, you're not entitled to a lawyer.
Everybody's entitled. Yes, everybody's entitled.
If you had a subpoena to come to court, that was your time. Are you a lawyer?
It's
And
a
it had
subpoena.
no
I
time
actually
on it
am.
though, and I
But
showed you that.
the subpoena is
I
actually
showed
supposed
you
to be
that.
served in person as well.
Are you a lawyer? A bar exam?
Your Honor,
I do
hold her
have a
in
vote,
contempt
yeah,
of
check it.
hold her in contempt of court. Come on now.
I'm trying to see her bar exam. Do you have a bar exam license on you, ma'am?
I have more than that. I have many degrees.
All right. So why wasn't you presented as his lawyer when he first asked for a lawyer, since you know
Your
so much?
Honor, hold her
Because
in contempt
I
of
wasn't
court.
provided enough time. That's
This
why the
isn't a fair
subpoena-
trial,
The subpoena
period.
that I was given had no
Ma'am,
time
my
on it. I
advice to
told
you
you
is
that,
be
and then I was
quiet
told to come
unless
here at
you're called
8:30
upon.
and then told at 9. And I was here regardless, but I had no time to prepare myself for nothing.
Well, today we're going on with this proceedings anyway because you were subpoenaed for a court today. Today was the
So like I
date.
said,
You
I
came
plead
in
no
today.
contest and I need a lawyer.
And
That's
that
that. I have
subpoena
nothing else
wasn't
to
even
say.
served in
I have-
person.
Ma'am,
My
ma'am,
advice to you is
officer,
be
officer,
quiet
can
or
you
you
put her
will
in
go
cuffs
down.
right now and put her downstairs in the cell till this case is over, sir?
So what is going on right now?
You are being charged with embezzlement, corruption, fraud, and tampering with evidence. That's what
Okay,
you're
like
being
I said,
charged
I
with.
plead no contest, and I need an attorney, so I don't want to look at no evidence. I don't need to hear nothing, none of that. That's not how a court proceeding goes. So
You have to-
am I going to jail or? Is
Yes,
it
you are going to jail right now, sir. If you don't want,
Y'all have fun.
Chief Payne, before you go anywhere,
Oh, he popped his head.
up his head.
Yep.
Don't worry. Any misconduct or any wrongdoing of doing. You can't stop thugs by being thugs yourself. You can't hold criminals accountable by being a criminal yourself. And you sure can't gain by robbing citizens of the city blind just for your own personal use. So, ladies and gentlemen, the people of this court, myself along with every person in the Department of Justice, will restore power, we will restore trust, and we will restore your dignity in this city. I'm gonna ask that you all bear with us, work with us as we transition this department to full working duty, to making it a better place. It's fear. Because you shouldn't be afraid of the police. You should respect the police, trust the police, and we're going to protect and serve each and every one of you. You shouldn't be afraid. And today that stops now. It's been a long time coming, but a change have come. It's time to restore this, y'all. And I thank you all for listening to us tonight. I thank you all for giving us your undivided attention, your support. Just bear with us while we bring dignity back to the city, while we make the city whole again. But we all family. We're not here to harm anybody. We're here to make sure you're treated equal, fair, firm, and consistent. Thank you all.
All rise.
The city.
Yeah.
Classified.
Hey.
Hey, look at that foot moving.
City.
Hey, 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 hey.
Hey.
Hey.